This leads into the red brick road, right? No, that was
Yeah.
Adina runs into the red brick road.
Yeah.
Brick road. This comes out by dollar store.
If you go that way, it takes you down to,
Route 7.
yeah, Buckeye Local School.
Yep. Used to pick up people in this little White House on the left.
Now, I think this is where Dad said on the right is where his mom and that grew up.
Yeah.
Right down there. And right here on the left, in this little field here,
Yeah.
is where that wreck was. I had to pull that car up out of that yard there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh.
See, I think Dad said one of these houses up here, but I don't think their house is still here.
I thought he said it was.
It was?
I thought he said that.
Okay.
I could be wrong.
I could be too, 'cause I've had so much on my mind. I've already been wrong twice today.
Yeah, what's up with that?
You woke me up too soon.
Huh?
You woke me up too soon.
I didn't wake you up. You're already up.
Huh?
They took the river tracks out. I said I didn't wake you up. You're already up. Oh, they took the restaurant out.
Now, down here on the other side of town here, we'll be making a left. And I'm not real positive exactly where, so I'll try to let you know before we get there. There's like a garage or past the road.
You were talking. I was going to show you where my friend Jenny used to live.
Oh, sorry. Right back there?
Yeah, in that big 2-story brown house.
Everybody's cutting grass today.
Yeah, I smell it. I did ours last night. I wasn't
Yeah.
going to, but I thought I better do it. You can go to Edina that way too. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I didn't know you could go that way.
Yeah, I've been that way before.
Huh. Ooh, cool down here.
Yeah.
I think it wasn't this the way when I first started riding. We went up this hill, and there
Yeah.
was a little something on the right, some kind of building, and then we had to stop on the hill because of something, and I was scared to death to take back off.
Yeah.
Do you remember that, Dad?
I remember you being scared a lot though.
I thought it was up here, but I never saw it yet. Maybe it wasn't this road. I was thinking it was. I never saw the building I saw. So we're in Mount Pleasant.
Yes.
This is where we went that time we watched the parade.
Yes.
This is the kid that this is the area that I had to come get that kid that rode with me to FedEx.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had to come clear up here?
Yes. When we at the stop sign, he lives, I think, right to the left. We'll probably go right past his house. Yeah, he lived up there on the left.
Huh?
He lives up there on the left.
No.
Lord. His house sat down sat down from the road a little bit. It's up this way. One of these right here. Where I'm at. I don't remember which one exactly. Yeah, I had to come all the way up here. I only did that once because I said I ain't doing that again. That's too far out.
Now, this one turns right here to the left, or we can go straight. What you want to do?
Whatever.
Let's go straight.
Alright. I went that way to bring him up here that day. That left way.
Yeah.
That's the way he had me go. And boy, it's a greasy road. The only reason I had to bring him all the way up that one day because his grandma couldn't come get him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're too nice.
That was the day it was real snowy, remember? And I was riding behind. I saw you. And I was coming out, going to Robinson, and the roads were real bad that day. And they let us leave early because it was so bad. And then I had to take him all the way home. And Grandma was afraid. Yeah, I was too nice, exactly. That's why I told him I couldn't do it no more. Freaking nuts. I was thinking he was just right off of Route 7. No, all the way up here.